Okay, this is our, I think, third or fourth update for the potatoes. Things are looking good. These are all potatoes. Here's one row, here's two rows. Here is 3 rows. I think that's cucumbers in the middle. I just had to put them somewhere. I didn't really want to put them there, but had to. But yeah, these are all cute. I mean, these are all potatoes that we planted. Here's other potatoes, whole row. And then I planted more over there, 2 more rows. And then look, and I want to just say that I did not take care of these at all. These are just doing their thing. I'm not really, I think I've watered them once since I planted them like a month ago. They got all this, what is morning glory type vine popping up. But yeah, I have not taken care of these, and I want to show you. Look at these potatoes from last year. These are ones that I forgot about or didn't get up. And here are potatoes. Little truck. Yeah, these are potatoes from last year. They're popping up. I'm gonna harvest those. And then also more potatoes from last year. Oh, too many. These are all potatoes we didn't get. I was gonna plant more here, but we did a hamster funeral over there the other day, so I'm not gonna do any potatoes there. But yeah, these are all potatoes from last year. Ones I did not plant this year. A lot of morning glory. More potatoes in the corner there. A lot of potatoes. A lot of potatoes. So these are all potatoes. Potato update.